Hi, welcome to our channel 0 Arabic 1. The videos of this lesson refers to this book 0 Arabic 1 for lower beginner. Learn Arabic and speak like a pro, the best system that has taught thousands of foreign students to learn from 0 to beginner level. What's for you? What you get is Arabic essential speaking skills, practical writing and list of new words. The author answers students' questions. Granted can speak Arabic in your first lesson. Plus, no Arabic words. Free YouTube audios for this book. Please subscribe and press the like button and bell icon. You can share this YouTube video with your friends. Thanks for watching. This book, 0 Arabic 1 Lower Beginner, is written and video narrated by the writer Mohd Mursalin. Contact the writer at the email visualx6@gmail.com. Let's move on with the lesson. Hello, welcome back. Lesson 10. Who lives with you? What will you learn? How to say who lives with you, link a possessive pronoun, the usage of preposition in or at, the usage of can. Let's move on with the lesson. Lesson 10. Who lives with you? سهيلة. من في بيتك؟ من في بيتك؟ من means who, is. في means at. بيت means house. Ka your. بيتك your house. من في بيتك? Who is at your house? حسن. أصدقائي. أصدقائي. أصدقاء means friend, friends. The ya here means my. أصدقائي, my friends. هل ممكن أزورك؟ هل ممكن أزورك؟ هل means can. هل ممكن means can I. أزور I visit. Ka means you. هل ممكن أزورك؟ لماذا؟ لماذا why؟ لماذا؟ سهيلة. أبحث بيتا هناك. أبحث بيتا هناك. أبحث means I am searching for. بيتا a house. هناك there. أبحث بيتا هناك. Let's say it out loud with me. من في بيتك. من في بيتك. أصدقائي. أصدقائي. هل ممكن أزورك؟ هل ممكن أزورك؟ لماذا؟ لماذا أبحث بيتا هناك؟ أبحث بيتا هناك. Now it's your turn. Just write it in Arabic. Usage of the phrase. The phrase في is a preposition. It is used to connect words and creating a complete sentence, and always found at the initial of a sentence or in the middle of a sentence. It has a role of connecting words to form a complete sentence. Questions. What are the prepositions in the Arabic language? The prepositions in Arabic are called huruf jar. Huruf jar. After the prepositions, the ends of the Arabic word must have a stroke below the last letter of the word. Look at the examples below. سهيلة على مائدة طعام. على مائدة طعام. على means on. This is a preposition. على is a preposition. It means on. Al-Ma'idah means the table. طعام food. على مائدة طعام. After the preposition على, after the preposition على, the word after this must have a stroke below the alphabet. We call this كسرة. كسرة. على مائدة. حسن. أحمد في بيت. أحمد في بيت. Ahmad is the name of a person. Fi is a preposition. Bait, house. Ahmad fi bait. Ahmad is at home. After the word, after the preposition fi, there will be a kasra, a stroke below the alphabet. Bait. Bait. Hassan. يجلس مدرس أمام الصف. يجلس مدرس أمام الصف. يجلس means he is sitting. Mudaris is teacher. That means the teacher is sitting. Amam in front of. Sof classroom. Sof means classroom. يجلس مدرس أمام الصف. The teacher is sitting in front of the classroom. Let's repeat again. على مائدة طعام. أحمد في بيت. يجلس مدرس أمام الصف. Examples of prepositions in Arabic. In, at, في. In front. أمام. أمام. Behind. وراء. وراء. On. على. على. Under. تحت. تحت. In between. بين بين. Let's repeat again. في أمام أمام وراء وراء على تحت تحت بين Write the Arabic phrase.